interaction ng students to their trainers, diba? Pag talagang physical, one-on-one, hands-on, literal. So you learn by doing, you learn by teaching. Malayo difference nun. So basically, we open the door of the international demand. Amazon virtual assistant, mga lawyers, real estate developer abroad, na we know naman, example, a salary of an American assistant would be somewhere around $7-8 per hour, and they could get a Filipino to do basically the same job for $4 to $7. Still, they have the savings, and the Filipinos, as Filipinos, could get higher returns, which
win-win.
Win-win for everybody. And tayo mga Pilipino, let's face it, most of our companies cannot afford that kind of rate, especially for assistants, diba, na who would book your ticket, who would organize your schedules, who would manage your social media, your online presence, mga ganun. So we equip a Filipino to do just that. They could also do bookkeeping, tax preparation, no? So basically what we give them on their first week is the general overview. So the student, when they get their clients here and abroad, mostly abroad, I understand that, I know how to do that, and how to communicate to a client na nasa overseas. So actually, tatawain nga namin coin kaninang term na OFW. Before, it was overseas Filipino worker. But now, we could now call them online Filipino worker. Right? Because being an OFW with our version of online, now you could have the quality of life. Kasi even
redefining.
Yeah, you redefine the quality of life, the balance of work and play. Kasi when you go on a regular job, a 9 to 5 job, hindi siya 9 to 5 eh. Meron kasamang 2 hour na Skyway at saka another 2 hours sa North Expressway. Diba? Tapos sa Forever EDSA, mga ganon, diba? So even
no traffic jam.
No traffic jam. You just go online, do the task, and the beauty of it is that you could bring home your task to your home, to a coffee shop, or even a cruise ship with your family. And this is a dream na daunting yan, mahirap gawin yan. Pero one thing that I remember is that what is difficult and what is important are usually the same thing. They're just basically synonymous at two sides of the same coin, diba? So that's basically what we want to achieve with Surge, so that eventually a Filipino not just give them a job, but more option to do a job that they would love, that could pay for, not just pay for the bills, but also pay for their dreams, diba?
And also the quality of life to spend in their family.
Oo, kasi bakit ba nagpapakamatay ka na sa trabaho, pagdating mo sa bahay, patay na pagod ka na. So, ang maganda pa dito, even a virtual assistant training can cross all ages. Whether you're still in your teens or you're in late years of your life, may you be black, white, or Filipino ka man, Tagalog ka man, Muslim, or even any language that you have. As long as you could command English language, you could do the job, right? And it cross also even educational barriers. Dati, di ba sabi, kailangan bago mapagtrabaho, kailangan may college degree.
Yeah, with the degree holder.
Yeah, you have a degree holder. Dito, in a week, you could basically do a job overseas.
You can transform.
Yes, exactly. So all of these potentials is what we are offering. It's not basically go to school and stay there for the next 4 years to learn a craft. Pag-aralan mo yung buhay ni Rizal, pag-aralan mo yung mga bato, kung sino mga girlfriend ni Jose Rizal, or mathematics that you don't really even use. Right? No, we're not saying that's wrong. We want engineers, masters of mathematics. We want lawyers who are very good in social science, and we want doctors who are very good in sciences. However, for most of us, we may not have that kind of experience or degree that could provide the same revenue as our lawyers or doctors who are specialists. They're very good. But what if for those people who want to have a more flexible life? And thus our motto is freedom and flexibility. We want to give them the flexibility to choose between several jobs, have multiple clients as long as they can, and of course, kung meron yung client nila makikita na, ay, kailangan namin to, kailangan namin ng ganong skills, you could equip per as needed. Hindi kagaya ng college program na, sampak sa'yo lahat yan, pag-aralan mo, pag di mo na ipasa isa dyan, you don't get the degree. Here, what you need is what you learn in a shorter course, a shorter period of time, at the most important thing, easily ma-apply mo kagad, and you could already get the return of your investments. And that's Search, basically.
Thank you so much. Very well said. And again, congratulations to the CEO of Search Bulacan, no other than Sir June Ken.
Thank you very much for your time. See
Yeah.
you on campus.
This is MJ Albina Balaguer of DCMJ Online, Dawa Sakat, Makabuluhang Journalismo, your happiness channel.